बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Ant and the Grasshopper's Modern Dilemma. Complete story. In a modern city, an ant and a grasshopper lived as neighbors. The ant worked every day, saving money in the bank, stocking up on food, and even learning new skills. The grasshopper, on the other hand, spent his time on social media, partying late, and buying expensive clothes just to show off. When winter came, the ant was safe and comfortable in her home, with plenty of savings and food. But the grasshopper had nothing. His friends had left him, his bank balance was empty, and hunger followed him everywhere. He went to the ant and begged for help. The ant said, "My friend, life is not about wasting time on fun. True happiness comes from preparation and hard work. You must learn to think about tomorrow, not just today." Moral: in today's world, saving money, using time wisely, and working hard is the key to real success.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.